In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and uninstall add-ons in Google Slides. This is a vital skill to have in your digital toolbox because it ensures you can keep your Google Slides environment running smoothly and free of unnecessary clutter. So, let's dive right in and learn how to manage these add-ons efficiently. To begin with, you'll want to make sure you're working with a true Google Slides file rather than a converted PowerPoint. This is important, as certain features, like managing add-ons, can be limited or even unavailable in converted files. So, open your Google Slides in a browser to get started. Once your Slides file is open and ready, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll find the menu bar. Click on Extensions. This drop-down menu is where you'll find the option to explore various add-ons available to enhance your Google Slides experience. From there, navigate your cursor down to the Add-ons option and then click on Manage Add-ons. By doing this, you open up a hub of functionalities and tools that are either installed or can be added to your slides to boost your creativity and productivity. Within the Manage Add-ons section, you'll see a list displaying all the add-ons currently installed under your account. Each of these add-ons provides additional functionality that can be incredibly useful for various tasks, but sometimes they can clutter your space if they're not in use. Beside each add-on, you'll notice either a three-dot icon or an Options label. This is your control panel for managing specific add-ons. From here, you have a few options at your disposal. If there's an add-on you frequently use and want to ensure it's always enabled in your current document, you can toggle its settings to be used in the present document. However, if you find an add-on is no longer necessary, or you simply want to declutter your list, you have the option to uninstall or remove it. To uninstall an add-on, it's a straightforward process. Simply click on the three-dot menu or the Options label next to the specific add-on you want to remove. Here, you'll see the Uninstall or Remove option available. Click on this, and to confirm your choice, you'll need to complete a quick prompt. A simple confirmation click will finalize the removal process, effectively decluttering your workspace and enhancing the speed and functionality of your Google Slides experience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage and uninstall add-ons in Google Slides, ensuring a clean, efficient, and personalized workspace for all your presentation needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy presenting!